Hello, little eagles. It's Mrs. Mishler again, and we are going to be working on parts of a plant. This is in your fourth packet, and it's part of the science lesson. And I wanted to show you something real quickly before we get started. We're going to identify the parts of a plant, but I actually went out to my yard and I found a plant for us to take a look at before we get started on our paper. There are 4 parts of a plant we're going to be talking about. Okay, we're going to be talking about this part at the top. Think about what that might be. The part in the middle. The part that holds the plant up. And the part that stays under the ground and also gives the plant support. So let's take a look. Mesa's going to write her name at the top quietly. Shh, shh. She's not going to forget her name as she's working through. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to show you the whole part of this plant. Each part is there, and we're going to start at the very top. Okay? So what part do you think this might be? This part smells really good. It's usually very pretty. It comes in different shapes, sizes, and colors, and starts to bloom in the spring. What do you think that might be? Part of the plant.
The flower?
The flower, very good. Okay, we're going to write the word flower on the line that's pointing to the arrow, which points to the flower. Very good. Okay, now we're going to work our way down the plant. Okay, the next part. And you can see here, we've got some other flowers that are just going to bloom soon. Don't worry, I'm going to take this plant out as soon as we're finished with the video, and I'm going to put him back in the ground so he can continue to grow. This, by the way, is a dandelion, and I'm sure all of you can find a dandelion in your yard. Okay, so our next part is this part right here. It helps to collect the sunlight and give the plant some energy, help it to grow. What plant might that be? Or what part of the plant might this be?
The leaf?
The leaves, very good. Okay. Okay, very nice. And I'm going to correct Mesa here real quickly because we always start with lowercase letters, right? Unless we're starting a sentence or talking about a proper noun, we're going to try our lowercase letters. Okay, very good. All right, so we have our leaves. Okay, now this part of the plant gives our plant some strength, keeps it held up. It's a little bit hard to see on a dandelion what part this might be, but here seems to be the main example. Each flower seems to have one of these. And not every plant or flower is shaped quite like a dandelion or grows quite the same way. But the dandelion has a few of these to help give it some sturdiness. What part might that be?
The stem?
The stem. Very good. Lisa's going to write the word stem on there for us. Good. She's sounding it out. And finally, and these are a little bit hard to see because as you can tell, they're covered in dirt. So I'm going to rinse them off in some water real quickly to give us a better view of them. I'm going to get that dirt away a little bit. Okay, and here we go. Let's take a look. What part of the plant sucks up nutrients from the dirt and also gives the plant some stability, helps it stay in the ground? What are those?
The roots?
Those are the roots. Very good. And the roots, as you can see in the picture, They're going, this is where the ground begins, and they grow under the ground. The roots. Okay, very good. All right, little eagles, we took a close look at a plant today, and I would like you to do the same. Maybe sometime this week you can go out into your yard, see if you can find a dandelion, and dig it up. Take a look at all the parts. Take a look at the flower at the top. Smell it. Does it smell good? Take a look at the shape of the leaves. All plants have different shaped leaves. Take a look at the stem and the roots. Rinse them off a little bit. But little eagles, don't forget to put your plant back into the ground so it can keep on growing. Okay, thanks for joining me today. Keep working hard, little eagles. See you again soon. Bye.